Hi friends, this is Icon Tech Buddies YouTube channel, and today I am going to talk about Indian Army Recruitment 2020 for officer selection. If you are seeing my channel at first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications on your phone. This site is not only provide the job updates but also provides the selection process, the application process and another details. Moreover, if you can't apply for the job due to lack of laptop and any other reasons, Icon Tech Buddies will provide you the facility to apply online in normal rates. So, we will back with much more jobs, so stay connected with us. Let's start the video. Join Indian Army, recruiting candidates to fill their various vacancies in officers entry. So let's check the vacancy detail. In civil department, the equivalent stream, civil engineering, structural engineering, total vacancies are 10. In architecture, 1 vacancy is there. In mechanical, 3 vacancies are there. Then electrical electronics, you can check the disciplines and vacancies here. You can just pause the video and check the vacancy details. Computer science and engineering, electronics and telecommunication, electronics communication, satellite communication, optoelectronics, aerospace, nuclear technology, automobile, laser technology, industrial manufacturing. So the educational qualification for applying, the candidates who have passed the requisite engineering degree course or are in final year of engineering degree course are eligible to apply. So the final years are eligible to apply. The final years who are awaiting for result are eligible for applying the post. Candidates studying in final year of engineering degree course should be able to submit proof of passing by 1 January 2021 and produce the engineering degree certificate within 12 weeks from the date of commencement of training at Indian Military Academy. Such candidates will be inducted on additional bond basis for recovery of the cost of training at IMA as notified from time to time, as well as stipend and pay and allowances paid in case that they fail to produce the requisite degree certificate. So the women candidates cannot apply for the job. They are not eligible to apply for the job. So there is an age limit. Age limit is 20 to 27 years old as on 1st January 2020. The candidates who are born in between 2 January 1994 and 1 January 2020, both dates are inclusive. So shortlisting of application. How to shortlist you? That must be all right to shortlist the application to fix a cut-off percentage of marks for each engineering discipline or stream obtained up to 6th semester for engineering degree course or 2nd semester for MSc Computer Science. After shortlisting the application, the sender allotment will be intimated to the candidate via their email ID. Then we can check how to apply. So I will tell you about the full process to apply in Indian Army. So I will give the link in the description box for applying Indian Join Army. The link is given in the description box. When we click on the link, this tab is opened and click here office entry or apply login. So if you are already logged in, you can. If you are already joined in Indian Army or you already give an SSB interview, then you can already register. You can log in directly, username, password and this captcha, fill it there and login option. If you are new registration, that is first time to Indian Join Army, then click on the registration link. When you click on the registration link, you can read some instructions to fill online application. Then after that, when you click on continue, you have to fill the form. I have Aadhaar number and Aadhaar number, candidate name, father or guardian name, mother's name, date of birth, your email address and mobile number, and tick here. I hereby consent to Indian Join Army, that is. So when you give your email ID and mobile number, must sure that your email ID is active, because further process of Indian Army will be tell you through email ID. Then click on the submit button. When you click on the submit button, you have to then log in again. So in login option, there are officers entry, and here you can see the JCO or entry. Today I will talk about the officers entry, apply or login. So when you click on that, you have to enter the website. So you have to fill these captcha in here. So fill these captcha here and click on enter the website. So when you enter the website, your date of birth, gender, your qualification. If you are final year student, click on appearing. If you are already passed BTech, then you can click on passed. You are married or unmarried, and if you have any NCC certificates, you can tick on here. If you don't have NCC certificate, don't do anything. Then after that, you are eligible for current profile. You can see here. So this is the course, technical graduate course. For technical graduate course, BE BTech in notified streams of engineering or MSc computer science final year candidates can also apply. So you can see here apply option. When you click on the apply option, you can see some instructions. So read it well. Then try to apply online. If you are not able to apply online, you can contact me. I will apply for you for normal rates. Then here personal information. So our online application form consists of 4 parts: personal information, communication details, education details, and details of previous SSB. That is, if you are already applied for SSB or already taken an SSB interview, then details of previous SSB. After that, click on the continue option. So when you click on continue, our first part will become first your name, your father's name, mother's name, your date of birth, and your nationality, that is Indian. Then gender, marital status, if you are married, click on married or not, unmarried. Your mobile number and email address. Then you can check, you can browse here your photo. So the photo size must be in between 55 KB to 20 KB. If that is not, you can use any online image resizers. Then your signature must be 5 KB to 10 KB. Browse from here. Then save and continue. After that, your communication details fill here. If your address is same as the permanent address, then temporary address will be permanent as same address. Then you can tick it here. If not, you can fill it here also. Then your city, state in India, which state you are belonging to, then district, then your PIN number, then after save and continue option. The next one is educational qualification. This is the most important step in this application. Your education qualification, your type of school, then roll number of +2 examination or diploma roll number. If we are not do any +2 qualification, then you are a diploma graduate. After that, you enter to the engineering degree, then you can do the diploma roll number and aggregate of marks in +2 or diploma. Then after that, whether diploma holder or not. If you are yes, then click on yes. If not, then no. Then main engineering stream, select from here. Then equivalent engineering stream, select from here. the date of joining in engineering course, which date you are entered to join the engineering course, and the completion of engineering course, name of college, then name of university, then type of university, then which state the universities belong to, then if you are gate aspirant, that is your gate score is valid, then write here the gate score and which date till that is valid. If you are not gate eligible, then you can leave it, don't do anything. And after that, the marks obtained in graduation, so click on here calculate option, then you can see some your all semester marks can be entered here. After that, save and continue. The next step is details of previous SSB. For previous SSB, if you are already taken an SSB interview, then you can click on yes and fill it. If not, then click on no, then save and continue. After that, in this stage, you can see your application form as full. Read it and make sure that there is no error in details. Then click on OK. So the online application will be open on 28th July 2020 and will be closed on 26th August 2020. So the eligible candidates who are meet the required eligibility criteria can apply for the job before 26th August 2020. If your friends or relatives are eligible for this job, please share with them also, and the official notification link and applying link is given in the description box, you can check it out. Then if you have any doubts regarding the job, for applying the job, you can comment on my comment box. Thank you for watching.